Hello everybody, thank you for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. I have a really cute little project to share with you today, and this is using the Apron of Love. I'm actually using the framelits, and when I saw this in the catalog, I saw this little box right here and I was like, ooh, that's really cute. So I'm going to show you how I made mine. But the one that I have holds some lip balms, and you can stick 3 lip balms in there. So if you do craft fairs, this is a great little craft fair project. Super cute. So I'm going to show you how I did today's project. I went ahead and I die cut some of the pieces that we need, and this is the little apron. I also die cut some designer series paper, and this is called Bubbles and Fizz designer series paper, and this you can earn free with a qualifying order. And so I went ahead and ran it through my Big Shot, and I'm actually gonna stick some adhesive right there because I have these 2 little necktie pieces, and I just want to add that before I stick my designer series paper on top. Okay, so we're just going to stick the designer series paper on top over that handle. Got my liquid glue. Super cute. I went ahead and die cut 3 of these rectangles, and this is also in a framelit. And I have my Simply Scored board, and what I'm going to do is, let me see, oh, so I did it like this. I'm going to score on this very first line, and I'm going to do that on both sides, just like so. And I'm going to do it to all the pieces. And then you're just going to fold up on those little pieces that you just scored. And that's where you're going to run your adhesive. You're going to put that adhesive on those score lines. This piece is for the front of the apron, a little pocket. And there are utensils and things that you can die cut out as well, which is really, really cute. You can die cut out all these different utensils that they have in the framelits. Super cute, and then they just slide right in there. I'm going to stick adhesive on these little strips. And what's nice is just above, just going to hold it for a second. Now I'm just eyeballing it. Then I'm going to take my top piece just want to make sure these bottom pieces are stuck good. Alright, so I'm going to take my top piece now and I am just going to line these all up. And what's nice is the multi-purpose liquid glue gives you a little bit of wiggle room to play around and figure out where your pieces need to go. And then you're just going to hold it once you have it set in place. You're just going to, oh, you're not going to do that, but you're going to just hold it for a few seconds. Super cute. And then your lip balm slots right in there. You can add even some ribbon. Super cute project, you guys. That's the reason why I actually bought this bundle. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. Head on over to my website, www.stampwithshar.com. I will have a detailed description about today's project. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.